Dear all, this video discusses about MATLAB software. So MATLAB stands for MATLAB was developed by a company named MathWorks, and this allows matrix multiplication, plotting of functions and data, the implementation of algorithms, and also built-in commands and functions. So using this, we can do all type of calculations and plot the graphs and visualize the plotted graphs. So main window of MATLAB consists of three windows. So this is the command window where you type the program directly, and this is the current folder which shows all the files within the folder, and this is the workspace which shows all the variables that has been executed. So any simple functions can be directly typed in the command window. For example, 5 plus 5, directly it will display the result 10. Now if you want to suppress or you don't want to display the result, then directly you can give x is equal to 4 and give a semicolon. Semicolon is used to suppress the output, so it will not display anything. Also we can give directly y is equal to x plus 5, so direct output will be displayed. Now if you want to, and here MATLAB is case sensitive. Also if you want to see the variables what is being used, the command is who. So this will display the command. So as you have used some of the variables, so those variables are displayed in the workspace. Now if you want to know the size of the variables, the command is function is whos. So this will display what is the size, byte, type, everything. Now another command which is used is to find the current directory is pwd. So this will display the current directory. Now we have also many functions to create the matrix. Here data is stored as matrix. So in order to create a row vector, that can be given as x is equal to square bracket 1, either use comma or space 2 and 3 and give a square bracket. So this will give you a row vector. Now if you want to display column vector, so that will be x is equal to y is equal to 1 colon 2 colon 3. So this will give you a column vector. Now in order to display matrix, this can be given as 1 space 2 3 colon 4 5 6 colon 5 7. So this is equivalent to 3 by 3 matrix. So this way we can display all the matrices. Now all the variables are displayed in the workspace. Suppose you want to clear the variables, the command to be given is clear all. So once you are given clear all the variables will be cleared. Now if you want to clear the command window, the command is clc. So this will clear the command window. Now if while plotting you want to switch on the grid, then the command is grid on. So this will display the grids of the figure window. Also there are lot many functions available in MATLAB which will be discussed in the next video. So the problem with command window is as you type it, it will get displayed and you cannot go back and see the output. So usually editor window will be used. So that will be shown in the next video.